truck stool.
You got a truck stool? Check this out. Okay, hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladies of JusticeLeague.com. I'm looking at a beautiful red Ducati here in this amazing, what's it, motoring coffee? Where, oh, check this out. Okay, here you go.
Motor coffee.
Motoring, yeah?
Yeah, here you go.
Motoring coffee. What do you think, Mocha? What do you think, Amy? Yeah, look at this motorcycle. They got good coffee here, don't they?
That's pretty good.
This is a Ducati. This whole place, there's another Ducati over there. Mercedes over there. It's a car club. Oh, look at this red Porsche. Oh my God. Okay, I am in a coffee shop, you guys. I'm in a coffee shop, and they got Rolls Royces, three-wheelers. Pretty amazing, pretty amazing. Look at this. On the other side over there, red Porsche. Oh, there's a travel trailer. I don't know what's happening over there. Apparently these cars, they change them out, and it's a motoring club. Look at this little thing. They're working. Look over there. They are working, like people working, laptops, on this truck bed. So they put a something, wood or something, and they are there, like they made a counter with stools. That is the coffee shop we're in right now.
Butterscotch latte?
Butterscotch latte. Motoring coffee. Go figure. Motoring coffee. Ah. Lois Threlkeld, Amy Yoshimitsu, and Mocha. Just after his acupuncture treatment, we fell into this place. Gotta check out a coffee shop.
Different, very different and unique.
So, like this video, feel free to put a comment in the chat, in the comment section, and
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, ladies of JusticeLeague.com/YouTube.
And share. Talk soon. Ducati.